Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure coming to you once again from my kitchen, and today I'll be sharing with you a really delicious roast turkey recipe. This recipe is really easy to make and it's tailored to bring joy to every home. If you want to find out how to make the most delicious, super yummy and spicy turkey, why not subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so you don't miss out on all my amazing content. And let's get straight into the video. So guys, here are my ingredients to make this roast turkey, and these are the spices that's gonna do the magic. So guys, I'm just gonna damp the chicken. I just want the skin really dry, so we're just trying to take any excess moisture. And in goes our spice. We're just gonna mix that really well. Like I said guys, this is the magic, this is the best combo for roast turkey. And now we're just gonna create some pockets between the skin and the flesh, so we want to season inside out. I'm not having so much fun doing that, you can see with my hand. So you want to be really careful while you create that pocket so you don't rip the skin off. So as much as I can get space to do that, I'll just reach out with my hand to create that pocket. And you can see we have the thighs exposed. We're gonna have really juicy and delicious turkey. And yeah, so I love the style of seasoning inside and out. So that's it. So now we're just gonna glaze the melted butter all over the turkey. So guys, I'm actually using margarine. I'm gonna give you the reason for using margarine over butter. So at room temperature, margarine is more liquefied than butter. So it therefore means that after my turkey is roasted, sitting like at room temperature, it's gonna be more soft and tender compared to using the butter. Otherwise, yeah, butter has a little bit more intense flavor. I'm just gonna rub the melted butter or margarine all over the turkey, and I'll season with my dry rub. That's it guys. So the secret, the most important ingredient in this mix, everything is really important, but I think what gives it the edge is the poultry spice. So I'm gonna leave a link underneath in the description below so you can buy one. It's really good for chicken and it has changed my roasting poultry game. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna spread the spice mix all over. This really easy, and I'm gonna give you the technique of roasting the most beautifully gorgeous but delicious turkey. And now I'm just gonna add some element of freshness with my habanero pepper. So this is gonna give it some freshness, some spiciness, and some sweet smell. And yeah, I'm just gonna rub that over. I love spicy. I'm a spice girl. Why not? So I'm just gonna season the back of the turkey. I'm starting off with my melted margarine or butter if you wish. And I'm just gonna spread that all over. And I'll also spread the spice rub all over. And that's it guys, it's really easy. And also some fresh pepper. I love spice. So that's it guys. I created this recipe because I've tried the traditional roast turkey. It's a bit bland for me, so I had to find something that works between the traditional and the new. So this recipe is certainly gonna give you new and old mixed together. So I'm actually rubbing the fresh spicy habanero pepper inside the chicken. These are my fresh veggies. We got green pepper, we got orange pepper, we got the carrots and onion and garlic, as well as our celery and some fresh tomatoes. So I'm just gonna stuff the turkey with all the veggies. It's gonna add so much flavor, and the gravy, oh my goodness, it's really gonna be so good. So we're just gonna add it into the baking tray. The essence is to make a good gravy out of this roast as well. It's gonna go with our turkey and as well as with the starch of our choice. We'll be using rice. I love rice, so all day everyday rice, and I'll just drizzle with some cooking oil. I just thought I'd do that, and it's up for baking. So guys, here are the sequence on how to bake and roast the most delicious turkey. And it's ready. It's ready, guys. I love the beautiful golden brown color, and you can see the veggies, they are all cooked, and it's gonna infuse the beautiful flavor into our gravy. So guys, I love it. I hope you try this recipe, guys. It's really easy to make. So I'm just gonna garnish with some cranberries, and it's ready for serving. And for my roast veggies, I'll just blend it up with the juices from the turkey, and it's gonna make the most delicious gravy. I love you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.